my YouTube, it's Danny here. Today we're going to be filming a hair tutorial, and I think I'm going to do 2 buns for you guys. I'm pretty new to this YouTube thing, so it's my first time filming a hair tutorial, so I'm trying to figure out how exactly I'm going to do it, but I guess I'll get closer and then we'll figure it out. It'll be good. Okay, so I took my hair out. I'm going to start by just drying it off a little bit. And one of the t-shirts I use for just my hair. I don't use towels on my hair because it seems like they dry out my hair too much. Okay, so my hair is out right now. Sorry guys, I'm just like reaching for the stuff that I'm going to use. So next I'm going to part it in half, so I'm just going to grab my comb. I'm doing this in the viewfinder. Just part down till you feel like run. Okay. So hair's in 2 now. Just gonna wipe off my hands a little bit. And I'm gonna grab my gel. I use Eco Styler gel, usually the argan or olive oil ones, because I feel like they hold better than the other ones in my opinion. And I'm just going to take a glob of gel like that. And I'm gonna put it down the middle and on the front. Okay. Next, guys, and I'm going to hold one side of my hair with it. Let me clean my Tangle Tamer first. Okay, that's all clean. Enough. Okay. I'm just gonna take it and mine look like this. I'm pretty sure it's the knockoff version that I got from the beauty supply. So just gonna brush it up. I like to get, do I want to be more forward? I think so. There's good. On my other hair tie, just go around. Oh god, these are kind of loose. Go around quite a few times. Oh. Okay. Oh. I like for my ponytail to dry a little bit so my bun could be a bit fluffier. So I'm going to do in the meantime, this thing would focus. Focus, please. Thank you. I'm just going to get these edges together. I'll put that up. This. Huh. I got some gel on that. Okay. Let's do the other side. Tangle Tamer again. That's what it's called at least. Or my knockoff Tangle Tamer. I find that this is really good with getting the bumps out of my hair. Okay. Feels really good on my scalp too. That's another plus. Okay. I want to try to get to about the same point on the other side. Which I think is about there. Your hair tie around. That's that. Now, that's kind of weird on this side. I guess you could leave it like that if you want to. But I guess you could leave it like this if you want to. It's 2 ponytails, but today I'm gonna do, I think, the buns. I have to grab another hair tie. I'll be right back. Okay, so what I do hasn't dried that much, but I kind of just loosely wrap her up. Leave a little thing hanging. And I use this. And I wind it around twice. And we're usually good. I'll do the other one. Okay, that looks cute. Let's do that. Okay. And kind of adjust till they look about even, which they do right now. At least I think they do. So then, just have my gel here, a little bit on the side, turn that up. Can I? Oh god. All there. Okay, good. And I think we're all done. That was super quick. Space bun. I like the look of the little tendrils hanging down. I saw this girl on Instagram do it. Let me show you the side and back. Hopefully my part's alright. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I plan to film a lot more regularly now. If you have any suggestions for what I could film, please leave it down below, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Please hit the subscribe button and give me a like if you liked it, and give me some comments, give me some feedback, because I'm new to this. Okay, Mwah.